umsebenzi.
Good afternoon to you viewers and welcome to this live transmission of the main day of the Umhlanga ceremony right here in the Kingdom of Eswatini at Elutsitini residence. My name is Kawe Mamba and we'll be with you from on the commentary box telling you more about this unique ceremony that's taking place here in the Kingdom of Eswatini.
Nkosi Ndlovukazi Mhlekazi.
Sesikhona lapha emsebenzini omkhulu kakhulu lengomsebenzi wawo umhlanga silo semhlaba ingwenyama njenganyalo njeke sesivele siyefika lapha emsebenzini lo lapha kalobamba nebenkosi enhle eLdzini njengoba sibona nje lapha kufika kwaso silo semhlaba ingwenyama emkhathini wabo laba khona lapha nebenkosi enhle kufika sona silo semhlaba ingwenyama banenge nebenkosi lenhle imbali lela they are in their thousands. Bonke bede ku umsebenzi wesilo semhlaba ingwenyama lokho lesikubona kulesikhathi lo angeke kubone noma ngabe nguphi emhlabeni kubonakala lapha eveni la kaNgwane lo shothi ingane zivele bangwane lokho lenikubonako
Nkosi Ndlovukazi Mhlekazi. Mbali emkhunjini, sukumani mhlehle mbali. Sukumani mhlehle ungani lo msebenzi mbali sekuqala kusebenta. Sekuyasetshenzwa mbali kungena yona ingwenyama ningehle nabese nehlise amandla. An exciting moment for Eswatini. The arrival of His Majesty the King in the 2025 annual Reed Dance in an arena full of enthusiastic Imali in readiness of this year's official day for the girl child in Eswatini, a kingdom that is rare in the whole of Africa, in the whole of the world, where the interaction with the leader of the country is as close as you see today. Let's receive His Majesty with a big round of applause by hailing Bayete. Bayete! Wena waphakathi. Ulilanga mbangazitha. A king is a king with his people. What a beautiful event.
Silo semhlaba ingwenyama njengoba nisibona ke bangwane sesivele sigadze tona tithombe sinema channels lapha la ishutha ingwenyama nebenkosi lenhle lekuba iportrait lebaluleke kakhulu kulomnyaka lona. Well, there His Majesty King Mswati III giving a photo opportunity to the journalists who have come to cover this event. They come from all walks of life, so as the visitors and tourists, they come from as far afield as the United States of America, Russia, and any other country you can think of, just to marvel at this very important occasion, important not only to the Emaswati, but to the whole of Africa.
Ulihole ligiyembe kwemakhosi bayethe wena waphakathi Nkosi Ndlovukazi Mhlekazi
umfevo wakiswasela usaseni wona ka uhlali phansi